Okay, what's up guys? Karekajnr here. So, have you ever wondered what is the next unit of storage after terabyte? So, mostly right now people are using 1 terabyte storage drive, 2 terabyte storage drive. So, have you ever wondered what comes after terabyte? So, today we will be answering that question in a very good way. So, to answer that question, you must go back to the beginning of units of measurement of units of storage measurement in computers. So the very first unit of measurement is a byte. Actually, it's not the first, but it's like the most known. The first one is unable, but there is also a half unable. Anyway, let's not get too technical. Let's start with byte. The byte is like one character, so it has its initial as B. So when we go from the next one, the next one that comes is kilobyte. So KB. So you are used to this one mostly. So 1 KB is made up of 1024 bytes. So the previous one was byte. So the next one is kilobyte, which is made up of 1024 KB exactly. So when you move from kilobyte, you go to megabyte, so MB. So we are used to MB because we see it like every day in different things and stuff like that. But it is like the same that like I said earlier, like when you move from kilobyte, you go to megabyte, and 1 megabyte is made up of 1024 kilobytes. So that is the next part. So when you move from megabyte, you go to gigabyte. So I hope you get it. So when you move from kilobyte and megabyte, you go to kilobyte. So next is gigabyte. So GB. So 1 GB is made up of 1024 MB. So if you want like to do 1 GB, so if you have a 1 GB flash drive, that one is made up of 1024 MB, I mean. So 1000 MBs, or like in an more exact part is 1024 MB. So now we have gotten to where we started. We started at terabyte or TB. So 1 terabyte is made up of 1000 GB, or to be more exact, it is made up of 1024 GB. So that is where we are now. So when you have someone who has a 2 terabyte hard drive, that person has like 2 times 1024, which comes to 2048 GB. So it goes on like that, like multiplication, you multiply like that. If you have 100 GB, you multiply by 1024. That is how it works now. So now this is the part that we start answering our question: what comes after terabyte? So the next thing, the next unit of storage after terabyte is called a petabyte. And if you remember, if you have watched my video my first video of my other channel, Petabyte Beats, I'll link it down below. I say that I started the channel because I wanted to do like something that is like not usual, because people are used to terabyte, but I wanted to take it to the next level, so I chose petabyte. So 1 petabyte is a unit of storage that is made up of 1024 TB. So 1 terabyte is like I don't know if you are following, but 1 petabyte, 1 PB, that are the initials of petabyte, is made up of 1024 TB. So 1024 terabytes. So a unit like a petabyte, you will not find it like with the normal person. Like you find someone with a petabyte of hard drive. That one we have not gotten there yet, but I believe that in the very near future, that is where we are headed. So after that, there are some other units of storage that are beyond petabyte, and that is where we are now headed. So the next one, which is like the next, is it is called exabyte. So an exabyte is a unit of storage that is made up of 1024 petabytes. So this is like a kind of unit that is used in like data centers or like Google or something like that, like organizations that have extremely high need for data storage. So that is like where they need such big like servers or that hold this kind of this quantity of information. So the next one, we have more above that. So there is another one after exabyte, which we have said its initials are EB, which is made up of 1024 PB or 1024 petabytes. The next one is Zettabyte. So we have moved from exabyte and we are now at Zettabyte. So Zettabyte, its initials are ZB. So it is made up of 1024 EB. This is like where we start getting really big units of storage. This is like, I don't know if I can even imagine how big a zettabyte is. It's like really big, really a lot of storage. That is like the kind of storage we will need in the near future where we are headed. But now, after that, we will be now headed to something like a zettabyte. A zettabyte is like, I guess, a couple of days of storage or an year of storage of Google data or something like that. But it is really a lot of data, capacity. Anyway, after that, we shall not stop there, by the way. The units of storage continue increasing and increasing. So we have, after zettabyte, a unit of storage that is known as a yotabyte. So yotabyte has its initials as YB. So 1 yotabyte is made up of 1024 zettabytes. So I hope you get it. So 1 yotabyte is made up of 1024 zettabytes. So 1024 ZB make 1 yotabyte. So a yotabyte, this is where we start getting like really extreme. So this is a unit of storage that we don't expect to be using until around 2030, around there, because like I don't really think even Google itself needs this much information, like total storage of this kind of data centers or units of storage or something like this. So after yotabyte, which is YB, I have found that there is another one called Brontobyte. So Brontobyte is a unit of storage that is made up of 1024 YB. So 1 Brontobyte is made up of 1024 YB. So one Brontobyte is made up of 1024 yotabytes. So that's really a lot. That's really a lot. So 1024 yotabytes. So after that, this is where it somehow it ends. But I don't believe this is the end, because the next one after Brontobyte is something we call Jobbyte. So after Jobbyte is a unit of storage that comes after Brontobyte, which is, so if you say someone tells you they have 1 Jobbyte of data storage, of they have one Jobbyte of data storage, what they mean is that they have 1024 Brontobytes of data storage. Okay, that is like I don't know. I don't know. It's like an imaginable unit or quantity of data storage. And Jobbyte is, as you have noticed, I have not given you the initials for the last two, Brontobyte and Jobbyte, because as you can see, Jobbyte, if we say Jobbyte is GB, it brings a bit of confusion with the one we saw earlier, which is Gigabyte. And if I say Brontobyte, its initials are BB, it doesn't come out as legit as it should. But you should know that the last one is Jobbyte, and this does not mean I have the fact that my research found that the last unit of storage that I found is 1 Jobbyte. It doesn't mean that unit of storage that is the last, like the biggest unit of storage in existence. What it means, it's just that that is the unit of storage that is currently like available and that is currently being seen a lot, or that is the research has gotten there. But I believe as we go into the future, the need for data storage is going to increase, and the need for data storage is going to increase, and that is the more the data storage needs, our data storage needs increase, the more we will require more storage capacities, and the more we will invent more storage capacities. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Please, 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 if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and also, before I forget, you can check out my social media and you like follow me there. I post some stuff that are like educative and stuff like that, that can make, you know, all tech stuff I post regularly on my social media pages. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Karekajnr signing out. Peace.